Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong at Yuen Long now, and this is where my families comes every year to get the New Year snacks, and we would like you to join us today to see what we get. And here you can find different kinds of New Year snacks. These two are the more typical ones, and many families also make their own at home. This is the Yao Gao with the sesames and peanuts paste inside. We will get half pound of Yao Gao. And we also get the Xiao Hou Zhou, means the laughing date. It is actually just a dough, sesame dough, and then it cracks after it is deep fried, so it's just like the laughing face. PO is very famous for its peanut candy too. You can also see them making the New Year snacks right here. Fish means that there will be surplus every year, 年年有餘. So this New Year cake is in the shape of a goldfish, and then these two are the brown sugar New Year cake. $8 for this one. Quite cheap. This is the candied lotus seed, candied lotus root slice, assorted candied fruit. 樣樣齊. It does mean everything is inside. 我哋買咗未啊? Mom said it's quite expensive, so let's see if we can find one place that have the cheaper one. Glutinous rice ball is also a very typical New Year snacks. That means reunions because it is of the shape of a ball. But this one with a flower on top is very, very hot. So we get £2, $50, and you can try. Now make sure that it is sweet, then you buy it. We also get the tangerine, which looks like gold. That's why people will also get some and put it at home during the Lunar New Year. Or they will give it to their relatives when they visit their home. So many oysters here. It is a very typical ingredient in Chinese New Year dinner because hou xi has a similar pronunciation as good thing, hou xi. So eating oyster means good things will come. These two are the very famous, very typical seed that we eat, 黑瓜子 and 紅瓜子, red and black in colors, but both are watermelon seed, $56 per catty. And these are the glutinous rice ball with baosa inside, red bean paste inside. And you can also find their brown sugar New Year cake, $728, very expensive. This one is the largest one, $1,028. And they have the smaller one. This is the turnip cake, $70, and also water chestnut cake, $126. Different kinds of candied food, $58. It's even more expensive. And that is the price of all kinds of New Year cake. 遊戲瓜子中式糖果. This is a very traditional bakery. It's called Dai Tong in Yuen Long. And it's very famous for their mooncakes. And you can already join their mooncake loyalty program and you'll pay every month. Bakeries also sells different kinds of New Year cakes now. The most typical one is the New Year cake, brown sugar cake, and also the turnip cake. They also have the water chestnut cake and also the taro cake here. Fat choy, not hair, black moss, means fat choy. Fat choy means black moss. Fat choy means you gain wealth, means fat choy. This is pumpkin seed in the middle. And this is green tea pumpkin seed.
90蚊磅啊
$90 per pound. Carrots. My mom's favorite is tangerine. And then coconut slice and coconut chunk. Coconut is really good, so make sure you get the coconut one. That is also tangerine. And this is the lotus root slice. And then this is pineapple, melon, and lotus seed. This is ginger, and also this is water chestnut. Pharmacies also sell New Year flowers now, orchid. So we get 1 pound of sunflower seed. 25 pounds would be too much. Children love it a lot. When they go to their relatives' home, they will open it and then to eat the candies before the reunion dinner. We call it 曲盒, around 80 for one, that is round in shape. Means reunions that we put candies and also different kinds of seed inside. And these are the containers for the ladybug. And these would be very popular now. You can see the lady is measuring how big it is. This is the container to make the New Year cake. You should get one that is in round shape. There's also one that is rectangular in shape. Some will also get this one with a lid on it so that they can give the whole box to their friends and relatives after they make the turnip cake. We will also change a new set of cup, plate, and also chopsticks for the god and the goddess that we worship at home. And also these decorations for the gods and also the goddess. Pistachio, 開心果, which literally means the smile leaf nuts in Hong Kong. And finally, we find the assorted candied food that is of a cheaper price, $25 only. The cheapest one so far. And the one that we got is $66. These are what we get today. Sunflower seed, 葵花籽, and this is the more typical one in Hong Kong, the watermelon seed, 瓜子. The black one and also the red one. We did not get the red one. So the seed inside is white in color and it is like grabbing the silver. It has this meaning. And then candied food. It's very hard to find candy pineapple now. It's actually quite expensive. This bag costs 66 Hong Kong dollar with different kinds of candy food. Carrot and tangerine means gold. Peanut candies and also black sesame candies, peanuts fried with the shrimp roll, 蝦子花生, sausages, 2 types of sausages, 臘腸, 潤腸, and also dry duck for the Lunar New Year, 臘鴨. And then this one is the fruit, tangerine, just like the gold. And then these two are very typical Chinese New Year snacks in Hong Kong. 油角仔. It's like this. Deep fried dumplings with the peanut paste, sugars, and also sesame. And other one is called 笑口棗. This is how it looks like, just like the laughing face. And then these are for making the turnip cake with the lid. These two are not very Chinese New Year. This is the 雞仔餅, the chicken biscuit, my parents' favorite when they were young, with pork inside. And that is the 藍棗糕, red date walnut cake. And they also give us 2 packs of wrap packets for the Lunar New Year. And that's all we got today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe to our channel and check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and learn more about the Lunar New Year. Explore Hong Kong 祝你身體健康，心想事成. See you in the Year of Ox.